Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring alphabets, capital letter alphabets. First we are using yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we using yellow color, and first we coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw and coloring the alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using black color and coloring the alphabet of D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. We are again use black color. The next one is G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is I. I for ice cream, I for ice. The last one is I. Today we coloring and draw alphabets A to I. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.